and welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel, I'm the girl with the Pilates mat, and it's lovely to have you here. If this is your first time, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me, and if you do my videos regularly, thank you very much for your continued support. It's much appreciated. So today we're doing our Pilates Moves Me, I'm wearing the t-shirt as you can see, workout. This is going to be a 15-minute standing workout, and it's a mix of a lot of balance work actually, a lot of balance work, a lot of core work. You're going to really feel it in your legs and your glutes and your side especially. So I hope you enjoy it. Do go ahead, get yourself ready, and I'll see you in a moment. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to go sideways so just so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to have the feet hip width apart. We're going to tuck the tailbone under, keep that spine nice and long. You're going to breathe in, you're going to reach the arms as far up as they will go. Breathe out and push those arms back so you can feel the work in the arms. Inhale, bend, exhale, up. Inhale, bend, exhale, up. Bend and up. Bend and up. Good. Bend. One more. And up. Now you're going to step nice and wide as you dare. Alright, feet are parallel. We're going to repeat the same thing. We're going to inhale, bend, exhale, up. Inhale, bend, exhale, up. Bend and up. Bend and up. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Let's do little pulses. 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come all the way up. Good. Give those legs a little shake out. Turn to me. Okay, and then from here, we're going to do our little balance work. So we're going to take our left leg forward. You might have seen one of these in one of my other videos. Take the arms out, but today hands behind the head. All right, so nice and open with those elbows. We're going to exhale to lift, inhale to lower. Exhale, lift and lower. So nice and tall, lift and lower. Lift and lower. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the arms out and balance for 4, 3, 2, 1. And come down. Other leg forward. Hands behind the head. Let's have those elbows nice and open. Think of standing nice and tall. Draw the abdominals in. We're going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Take those arms out to the side and hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. We're going to keep those arms out. As you can see, little work for the arms. We're going to do little circles. So we're going to go around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other way. Back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take the hands back behind the head. Interlace those fingers, draw the head back into the hands, and then we're going to come over and lift up and over and lift up. Good. So over and up, over and up. And up. Good. Over and up. Over and up. One more. Over and up. Now I want you to go back over. This time rotate. Come back and lift up. Other way, over, rotate, and back, and up, over, rotate. So really working that core now, and up, over, rotate, back, and up. Again, over, rotate, and back, and up, over, rotate, and back, and up, over, rotate, back, and up. One more, over, rotate, back, and up. Well done. Let's bring those shoulders down, just give them a little shake out. I'm going to go sideways. We're going to try this one. So this one always gets me, a little bit of a balance challenge, one of my favourites that I created. So what you're going to do is have your right leg forward, and you're going to try and lift that right leg up, not too high, and opposite arm, so left arm's coming forward. You're going to lift as high as you want, trying to keep that balance on that left leg. We're going to go slow because it's more challenging than going fast, and then you're going to go back, reach the leg behind you and out. So you're really lengthening that leg behind you. So you're going to draw it in and take it back. Draw it in and take it back. In and back. In and back. In and back. In and back. Two more. And back, and in, and back. Well done. We're going to do the other side. All right, so this side, we're just going to start by just drawing the tummy in, trying to get yourself in a nicely balanced position, and then we're going to lift up. All right, here we go. So we're coming forward, and then we're going back. Coming in, and back. As you can see, this is my challenging side. In and back, in and back, for 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest it there. Okay, give those legs a little shake out. We're going to do a nice little roll down. So you're going to draw the tummy and tuck the tailbone under. Take a breath in. Exhale, chin to the chest. Coming down, all the way down towards the floor. And then from here, you're going to inhale, reach the arms forward. Nice flat back, bend the knees, lift up, and arms out to the side. So I'm going to show you sideways. Deep breath in. Exhale, chin to the chest. Rolling down, all the way down. Reach those arms forward, extending that spine, lifting up, and arms out to the side. One more deep breath in, and exhale, chin to the chest, and rolling down. Reach those arms forward, and then extend, extend, extend. Come up, and arms out to the side. Well done. All right, so let's try a little hip work. All right, so you're going to bring that right leg forward, and we're just going to try and do some little circles. All right, so you're going to take your arms out to the side, and then you're going to slightly bend this leg, and you're going to see if you can take your leg to the side and to the back, and to the side and to the front. So it's side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front. You're trying to keep your hips really still as you do this exercise. Side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, and side, back, side, and front. Coming up, let's do it on the other leg. So take the arms out to the side. Here we go, a little bend of the knees, side, front, and back to the center. I don't know what I'm saying. Front, side, back, and side. Front, side, back, and side. Good. Front, side, back, and side. Front, side, back, and side, and front, side, back, and side. Come back up. Now think of that choreography you just did, and we're going to try and do it in the air. All right, you don't have to do this, but it's a nice little challenge for the body. So you take the arms back out, and you're going to start with the foot at the front. All right, but it's not touching, so it's in the air, and then you're going to take it to the side and to the back, and then back to the side and to the front, at which point you can pop it down for a moment. All right, so you're going to lift it up to the side, to the back, to the side, and pop it down. To lift it up to the side and back and side, whoops, and down. Lift, side and back and side and down. Lift, side and back and side and down. One more time. Lift, side and back and side and down. Hopefully you're really feeling that in the bottom of your legs. It's very challenging, which is why I wobble as well when I do it, but I do it because I want to get stronger in the bottom of the legs there and the feet. So we're going to take the arms out, standing nice and tall, lift the leg up, and here we go, side, back, side, and down. Lift it up, side, back, side, and down. Lift, side, back, side, and down. Lift, side, back, side, and down. Lift, side, back, side, and down. One more. Lift, side, back, side, and down. Well done. You can really feel that, I think, in your calves. So let's just do a little stretch out. Calf stretch, so take that right leg back, draw the tummy in, and then from there we're just going to lean into it, get that nice stretch through the calf muscle. All right, just hold it there. Just think about your posture all the time. So even though we're stretching the leg, we're not letting the rest of the body go. We're really lengthening through the spine. Good. And then the other side, switching legs. That's it. And pressing forward. Well done. Give those legs a little shake out. Let's do a little stretch. So holding on to wherever you can. I've got a little wall here. Take the right leg behind you. You're going to bring the knees together, and then you're going to bend the left knee a little, and then try and take the right leg back. So you're feeling a little bit of a deeper stretch. Obviously, be mindful of knees and hips. All right, you just go as far as feels okay. You can feel that nice stretch in the leg. Well done. And then same thing, other leg. So you're going to hold the left leg, bend the right knee, and then gently take it back until you feel that nice stretch there through the thigh. Don't worry too much about your form here. This is more about trying to find the stretch where it feels nice but not painful. All right, good. Coming back to the center. So here we go. Let's have the legs nice and wide. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to sink down. We're going to try and hold this position. So knees bent, you're going to keep the hands on the hips, and we're going to try and draw our knees back. So they're going back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold them there, little pulses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat, going back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then from there we're going to lift the heel up and place it down. Up and down. This is when your legs start to shake. And down. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower and lift. Change sides, going up and down. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Can we do one more set of going back? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. Come on up. Give those legs a nice little shake out. All right, so we're going to do one more thing. And this is an old dance stretch that I've done since I was about this high. Those of you out there that dance, I know there's quite a lot of you who watch this channel, you'll remember doing this at some point. So you're going to take the arms out to the side and we're going to flex over to the side. So we're going all the way over as far as you can. Now we're going to rotate and send the back arm back, the front arm forward, and try and go into a nice tabletop position. You're then going to go down towards your ankle, let the head come down. Then you're going to bring the other hand down and come to the centre. Going over to the other foot. You're going to take one arm behind you, other arm in front, coming into that nice flat back. Over to the side and lift up. Then you go back the other way. So you're going to go over. Nice stretch over. And then rotate. Extending through that body, coming down. This is a lovely stretch to finish with. Coming to the centre, over to the other side, take one arm up behind you, other arm out in front, come over to the side and up. Let's go back again. So we're going to go over and rotate and stretch, coming down to the centre, over to the other side. Back arm up, front arm out, over and up. And then we're going to go over and rotate, going down to the centre, over to the other side. Back arm up, front arm out, over to the side and up. All right, bring those feet back together. And let's just finish with some shoulder rolls, up and around, up and around, up and around, up and around. Inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhale, taking them out. Inhale, up. And exhale, taking them out. 2 more. And up. And out. And give yourself a round of applause. Well done. So that was our lovely 15 minutes Pilates Moves Me standing workout. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do have a look at the rest of the series. There's some mat work and there's some little bits with equipment. Do let me know what you thought. Please press the like button and please subscribe. That would be wonderful. And I hope to see you again really soon. Take care and bye for now.